So we just finished this Ultra for our guy Ben. It's a 2006, and it was just a little bit tired. Had a few miles on, and he was sick of waiting for all of his friends were sick of waiting for him to keep up. So we did a Hot Rod SNS 100-inch kit on it, along with cams, and then we did a TechnoResearch download on the computer to make it run great. So Ben's here now and hasn't heard it run before, but since the work's been done, he heard it before, but I think he'll be in for a nice surprise. So I'm going to go ahead and start it, and you'll hear the difference. Hear the bumpy idle. That's what they sound like when you add a little bit of compression and change the cams. So that's just a little bit of a taste of what's coming for Ben. This bike is going to run great. Should run in the low 100 horse, 105 horsepower. So if you're thinking about doing some upgrades and keeping up with your friends, give us a call.